Frontier Summit 2024, presented by Frontier Collective. 3 days of transformative conversations, groundbreaking ideas, and unforgettable and intimate connection in the heart of Vancouver. This year's theme, Synergy and Serendipity, brought together 150 global leaders, innovators, doers, and visionaries from over 20 countries to explore the future of technology, sustainability, and human connection. From thought-provoking discussions on AI ethics and climate action to creative workshops and immersive experiences, the summit pushed boundaries and redefined collaboration.
When we take our favorite things and actually have them a little less often, we renew our capacity to really enjoy them. And so we can use cutting back on things as actually an opportunity to think about happiness rather than just scarcity.
Set across Vancouver's most iconic and inspiring locations, the summit showcased the city's unique blend of creativity, innovation, and natural beauty, reminding us why Vancouver is a rising global hub for frontier technology.
I know there are a lot of people from out of town here. Either you're investors, you're in the tech community. We can talk all day long about how Vancouver is hitting way above its weight in a whole bunch of sectors. Vancouver is open for business. This is the land of opportunity. You set up your business here, it's just going to get better and better and better. Anyways, listen, sorry, I know you guys didn't come here to hear a bunch of politicians speak. Thank you very much. Thanks for being cool. Dan, everyone at Frontier, thanks for setting this up.
From ocean-inspired dinners to rooftop celebrations, Frontier Summit offered curated moments that fostered meaningful connections, inspired action, and celebrated the spirit of collaboration.
If everybody's going to use AI, basically it's going to level the playing field for most of the company. Where the competitive advantage is going to be is where the human factor plays a role in the competitive advantage, and they're going to use AI in order to amplify that competitive advantage that comes from the human people.
Curiosity about life in all its aspects, I think, is still the secret of great creative people. So that curiosity is what we have to nurture. And that's what's at risk as we become more efficient, more productive. We lose, at times, that curiosity. There's not an impetus.
These are 3 of the best sashimi-grade seafoods you can get in British Columbia. Todd, bring it out here with those nets. Chef Megan and Paige, we gotta give them a round of applause. I mean, the menu they created, it couldn't have been more better.
when you get people in a room together face to face and you create an environment where people feel included and also people feel engaged and excited, you start to recognize that actually we share a lot more values than the things that we disagree on.
There's a real opportunity for technologists, engineers to play a huge role in the evolution of the biotech ecosystem, and that's already happening right now. If you're in the tech sector, but you have a passion for sort of bio, I think this is your moment.
We engage in the fantasy of what's going on around us, the food, the drink, the music, the dance, the art, the performances. When we get profound and poetic with a stranger and we impress ourselves with how fabulous we are, that's when everything tastes better, sounds better. That's when you want to come back again and again to this community.
More than an event, Frontier Summit 2024 was a catalyst for change. A platform where ideas flourished, partnerships formed, and the future of innovation came to life. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. We look forward to welcoming you back to Vancouver for Frontier Summit 2025.